And we are also honored to have another graduate, Miss Janine B. Baile, a cum laude student from BSED Science, deliver the honorary address. She will share her journey and inspire her fellow graduates.
To the Chairman of the Board, Engineer Manuel G. Andaya, to our President, Dr. Rosalina S. Andaya, to the Board of Directors, Honorable Robert S. Quechon, and the Vice President of Finance, Sir Edgardo G. Kalangian, to the Vice President for Operation, Ms. Neris S. De Los Reyes, to the OIC Human Resource Director, Ms. Riza May S. Parawan, to the OIC Principal, Ms. Mabel C. Gonzalez, to our distinguished commencement speaker, Sir Jimmy G. Catanes, Dr. Jimmy G. Catanes, to our Scholastic and Scholarship Director, Ms. M. Roldan, to our Property and Facility Director, Sir Joban Taladtad, to our Registrar, Ms. Veronica Igalabayo, and to our Academic Coordinator, Sir Jael Francisco, and STEM faculty and staff, guests, and JP Shan graduates. A pleasant and beautiful day to all of you. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Every Sunday during our church service, I would recite those praises to express my thanksgiving to the Lord for all the blessings that He has bestowed upon me. Now, as this remarkable event unfolds in my life, I can affirm that the Lord made this day, so I will gladly rejoice in it. We made it, fellow graduates, by God's grace. We did it. We are at the very moment that we can spot the best view that came after the hardest climb. Looking back on our dreams of pursuing graduate studies seemed like chasing the wind in the past, until the name John Poe College caught our ears. Its reverberation turned out to be our option, until this option became our choice. And this choice indeed brought us to where we are today. Few had the courage to make their choice, but we chose to continue our dreams, to be here in Rojas, to be harbored with the JP Shan spirits, to be enthused by our professors' professionalism, definitive passion, and incomparable humility and wisdom. We began this journey as individuals from diverse backgrounds, each with our own unique dreams and aspirations. However, during these transformative years, we have woven a tapestry of shared experiences, learning not from our teachers' discussion, but from each other's. We have encountered adversity, setbacks, moments of doubts and frustrations like, kaya pa ba? Kaya pa ba today, sis? Grabe, pagod. Taramad na. Umay. Or, bad trip na buhay. I know and I'm sure that you have ever told that to yourself in ambivalence in the midst of variety of situation. Not just once, not twice, not 3 times, but countless times. Behind those paugat and reclamador moments against all those piles of activities, innumerable pending tasks, and unfinished reviewers, we still ended up doing it. Sabi nga natin, magrareklamo muna pero gagawin pa rin. That proves how strong, persevered, and steadfast we are. The prime protagonist of our own storyline, who faced downfall times, felt overwhelmed in between victories, jumped along the joy of accomplishment, and then continuously figured out, so what's next? What and when will the end be? Is it a happy ending or turned out to be a sad ending? We really don't know, but one thing is guaranteed. It will leave a lesson for us to still be thankful for always in always. I stand before you today as embodiment of complectedness. I find myself here in this podium experiencing an assortment of emotion all at once. And I am certain that many of you here empathize with me on that point. I am filled with delight. It feels like a fulfillment and anticipation are intertwined, acknowledging that I have worked hard for 17 years of my lifespan as a student to be able to stand here and claim the privilege that I think I deserve. It was by no means easy, and there were several instances when I felt I wouldn't make it to the finish line na kailan kaya matatapos yung mga gabing puro ako what if at puro ako siguro at hindi ako sigurado. Hanggang kailan kaya ako matotorete sa mga papalapit na deadlines? Hanggang kailan ako magkukulong sa kwarto para mag-review sa major exams ko? And the countless thought na parang pinipilit ko na lang ang sarili ko sa course na to. Na siguro kung naituloy kong i-pursue yung medicine, mas masaya pa siguro ako habang nag-aaral. Kasi ang hirap na nung pagod na yung katawan, pagod pa yung utak, tapos hindi mo pa gusto yung ginagawa mo. But that one Bible verse keeps reminding me. It is from Proverbs 19:21. It says, "Many are the plans in a person's heart, but it is the Lord's purpose that prevails. So I let it be. I let Him make the plans for me. But I persevered in order for me to know what may be my purpose in this lifetime. Until I realized later on, as I entered my on-the-job training here in John Paul College, that the great Lord still granted my dreams to experience serving. Although it is not for the sick people that need care and medication, I was able to still serve as a teacher to the young minds, a teacher who served as a mentor, facilitator, supporter, motivator, promoter of values and inspiration for them to have a promising future. This has also made me realize na kaya pala olats ako doon sa whole week straight na pakikipag-usap ko sa mga staff sa isang school sa Manila regarding the admission of requirements and the course that I wanted to take that time, that was way back 2021. Even in the beginning, I know, or it is very clear to me that we lack a lot of resources, especially when it came to finances. Ang hirap, maging mahirap, ang hirap ng walang budget. In short, I was forcing myself to live in a position that He hadn't prepared for me. Little did I realize that time that He had something better planned for me. And two of those, He allowed me to finish my studies with educational subsidy support so we could afford my tuition fee. So maraming salamat sa Unifas. Sige nga, sabay-sabay natin sabihin, salamat Unifas. 1, 2, 3, go! Thank you, Ma'am Ayos. And to stand on this stage 4 years later with a grateful heart, sharing this brief life testimony in the midst of this speech. Not just as a degree holder wearing a gold medal, but as a proof of God's goodness. I formed the notion that a brave, courageous, and pure-hearted man is always rewarded by the Lord. So alam nyo na kung bakit kayo nakagraduate ngayon, kasi kayo ay rewarded rewarded by the Lord. So just do yourself a favor and learn all you can, then remember what you learn and you will prosper. All those consistent little prayers we whisper to the air and keep to ourselves in the locked room were already answered by Him. Imagine niyo yon, ang dami-dami niyong hinihiling. Pero isa yon, itong graduation natin ang sinagot ni Lord. Amen? Yes. Thus, the highest praise, honor, and glory and thanksgiving belongs to Him alone, not mine nor yours. Amen? So in spite of what we have reached now, and as we stand here adorned in our caps and gowns, with knowledge, wisdom, and distinct pride, we must truly remain humble and honor the other heroes of this tough yet worthwhile journey. My heart is filled with affection and admiration for this institution, our alma mater, John Paul College. It has been a home of growth, learning, and transformation. Throughout our time here, we have been challenged, inspired, supported, and molded by dedicated and passionate, competent faculty and staff. So to our dearest instructors and subject teachers, thank you po sa inyong effort and hard works para maturuan kami ng maayos. At simula umpisa hanggang sa graduation na ito ay sinamahan niyo kami. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. We are truly beholden to your unwavering supervision and belief in us, which also profoundly inspire us to dream high, ignite our passion and talents, and learn to believe and ourselves and to strive for greatness. We share this victory to honor each and every one of you po. Maraming salamat po mga mahal naming instructors and subject teachers. So to my fellow graduates, we gathered here this afternoon to reap more than the combined product of the tears, hunger, exhaustion, early mornings, and late nights we encountered on the route. The pila ng mahaba sa cashier at registrar's office, the compliance of requirements and completions of clearance, practice sa ganito, sa ganyan, ng sayaw, yearly na napipenalty dahil hindi naka-attendance, datulala at sabaw moment during weekend classes. Nangutang, sino mga nangutang sa tropa dito para sa tuition and contribution? Taas kamay. Oh, diba? And the walang tulugan days during OJT. Ang endless revision ng thesis paper, hindi natin malilimutan yan. And this school year funds memories, have enriched our lives, broadens our perspectives, and fueled our personal and intellectual growth. It taught us a lot, and many of us, if not all, are beaming with joy that we're finally done with it. That's all over now, but isn't it? Because with every door shut, another doors awaits us with lots of chances and pursuits. It beckons us to explore, create, and leave our mark on the new horizon. But for a while, let us also honor and congratulate ourselves for every win we attained as a family here at JPC. Sige nga, try nyo sabihin sa sarili nyo, congrats self. 1, 2, 3, go. Yan. Lalo na sa mga, deserve nyo itong graduation na to, lalo na sa mga nag-boarding house at nalayo sa pamilya, nag-working student at pinag-aaral ang sarili nila. Grabe kayo, ang galing ninyo. Saludo kami sa inyong lahat. Tunay nga na sa ating mga pinagdaanan sa 4 na taon bilang mga mag-aaral, doon natin napatunayan na laging panalo ang... So as we stand on the threshold of another chapter and are ready to embark on new adventure, let us cherish this triumphant celebration that completed the great chapter we started 4 or 5 years ago and take time to reflect on it. We may continue to live by the JPC's maxim, which reminds us to seize the opportunities that are before us and to make the most of the time we have in order to create a brighter future for ourselves and those around us. Because no matter how small or incremental, we have the power to influence the outcomes of tomorrow. Because truly, the future starts today, not tomorrow. The future starts today, not tomorrow. So the tassels are on the left side now, and that underscore their symbolic value. So we achieved our aims of being graduates in our own fields. Class of 2024, when we leave this gymnasium and pass those gates, ipakita nyo kung sino kayo. Ha? Let it be known that we are more than conqueror. Let it be known that we are more than achiever. Let it be known that we are highly favored. Let us them know. So congratulations to us. We say deserve. 1, 2, 3, go. Indeed, this day gives us a victorious mark to our victorious mark. So let us give time to cherish our parents for their honor, love, sacrifices. Ito na pala. Ito kayo. Taas kayo. So let us give the time to share a moment for our parents, to thank them for everything that they have done for us. To my Nay, Nay, to my inay, gusto ko lang ipakilala. Ito si Inay Danya and si Tatay Dodoy. Isang simpleng mag-asawa. Isang simpleng mag-asawa. Walang stable na trabaho. Pero, nagsumikap bilang mag-asawa. Hindi nakatungtong ng college at high school graduate. Pero, nakapagpatapos ng 3 degree holder na anak. Isang anak na soon to be fully fledged Fire Officer 1. Isang anak na may stable na trabaho bilang finance collector and manager. At finally, Nay, graduate na si Ineng. Graduate na ang bunso niyo. Walang maglabas na. Graduate na din kayo kasi sisikapin namin ni na Kuya na itong taon na to, kami na to. Kami na po ang bahala sa inyo. Maraming salamat.
Pero kakanta pa po ako. Napag-aral ko sa pagiging musikero ko.
Thank you sa lahat kahit hindi nyo pinaparamdam sa akin na hindi nyo pinaparamdam sa akin na hindi kayo proud kasi kahit wala pa akong sabihin, wala pa akong sinasabi na accomplishment ko day by day, pinaparamdam nyo na sa akin and little did you know na it gives me a lot of pressure na proud na kayo sa akin kahit wala pa akong napapatunayan. At least ngayon, alam ko na ang ambag ko sa pamilya natin ay mag-aral ng mabuti, makapagtapos ng pag-aaral at makatulong sa inyo ngayon. So, love you.
Love you. Rock and roll po.
So this cup, as I wanted to be recognized by all these people, by all these people in this MGA gymnasium, that this cup and these medals are all for the both of you. So maraming salamat po. Congratulations, graduates!
All right, thank you, Janine. Your words were truly inspiring.